Hello and welcome to another Solid Solutions Ireland video. What we're going to talk about today is SOLIDWORKS MBD. So what SOLIDWORKS MBD is, it provides an integrated drawingless manufacturing solution which helps you define, organise and publish 3D product manufacturing information, also known as PMI, and 3D model data into industry standard file formats. MBD is extremely quick and easy to use. We're going to start off in SOLIDWORKS here. We're going to go into it, show you how to create a new 3D view, how to bring in some dimensions on it, and how exactly to output it as a 3D PDF or into eDrawings. So here we are in SOLIDWORKS. The only difference to our regular SOLIDWORKS is we have SOLIDWORKS MBD tab up the top, so just an add-on tab, and down the bottom we also have a 3D views tab. So you can see it's completely a SOLIDWORKS part, creative of all the features that we would normally have in SOLIDWORKS. If we click into our 3D views, we have some 3D views already created just to show you exactly how it works out and what it can look like in the end. So if I double click on any view, you can see all the dimensions populate and everything you can see with them. You can also move your model while looking at the dimensions in that view. You can even turn on dynamic annotation views. So if I move around my model, the ones that are relevant will highlight to me. At this point, I can show you how to capture your own 3D view. So what I want to do is just make sure I'm facing front to my front view. I'm going to create a new front view. So I'm looking at it in the front view and I'm going to capture a new 3D view. Here we go, I've already got it captured at this point. Let's just select to take annotations from our front and right plane. Because I'm selecting my right plane, it means I can take dimensions that are already on my right view and orientate them to my front view as well. We now have our front view created. And what I can do is look at my dimensions on my right view and change them to my front view. I can also do the same with datum points. Now when I look at my front view, I can see the two dimensions that I brought from my right view. I can now start bringing in more dimensions and see what else we can bring in with geometric tolerance, say. Don't forget to tidy them up so they're all very clear. We can put on a square tolerance. Of course, we can tidy it up after as well. With all those dimensions in place and everything set up neatly, we can pull and drag if we're unhappy with the settings on our dimensions. What we need to do next is share our information with a third party. What we can do is generate some 3D PDFs or publish to an eDrawing file. We even have a 3D PDF template editor within SOLIDWORKS MBD. So if I go on there, you can see all the ones that SOLIDWORKS have provided for you. You can also edit them, so they're very similar to sheet templates. SOLIDWORKS provides you with a whole library of them. We can select the one we want. You can even click on them and make sure they are. So what happens is our graphics will fill in these boxes. Our custom properties are linked in here. And again, it's extremely similar to doing a sheet template in SOLIDWORKS. So once I go to publish to 3D PDF, I can include all my views. Just choose my correct template. You can view the PDF after saving, of course. And you can see SOLIDWORKS go through each individual view on your part and generate the PDF. So we'll just wait for the PDF to open. And here we go. So on our PDF, we can zoom in and out. We can look at all our different views. You can see everything you could possibly need from your drawing. That's all we need to see in the PDF. So let's just have a look and see how to publish an eDrawing file. Again, it's extremely simple. It's just one click of a button. it goes through the same process and picks up all the views that we normally want in our e-drawings. And of course you have all the options with e-drawings as you normally would. It opens up automatically for me also. And here's our part. Our 3D views are all lined up down the bottom. So obviously you can get any dimension you need and even rotate around your part in your e-drawings. When I select a dimension, it highlights the area that's dimensioned. If you're unsure what's going to where, just select on the dimension and it will highlight whatever the dimension is going to and from. So we can see that creating e-drawings and 3D PDFs is both fast and flexible and reduces errors of interpreting 2D drawings, as you can physically go around your entire part, click on your dimensions to see where they're going to and from, and completely interact with your part on a 3D level. When it comes to long, slender parts in SOLIDWORKS, it can sometimes be difficult to create drawings to show all the necessary information, and just the necessary information. If I look at my 3D views here, we can see everything is displayed very simply and very easy to understand. What we can also do, when you're dealing with long, slender parts like this, it can be sometimes difficult to let others know exactly what you mean or show exactly the model information that you need to. For this reason, SOLIDWORKS MBD has introduced a model break view tool. The way it works is you get two planes, you pull them into place, and you can simply add a break. You can continue and add steps similar to the way you would while doing an exploded view. It's extremely easy to use by just pulling the planes to exactly where you want them, applying the steps. You can then choose the styles, or what method you'd like the break to be shown as. Of course, it will be down to your company and what standards you need to meet. The newly created model break view appears as a configuration within your model. We're going to recapture it into another view. We can recapture the configuration and leave it there. You'll notice that our dimensions have held through the whole time and have not changed. This model break tool is a great way to capture some information that you might not be able to elsewhere, just adding to your PMI even more so. So we can see that SOLIDWORKS MBD provides you with the tools for creation, organization and output of product manufacturing information, and helps reduce cycle times and improve quality. So we can see that SOLIDWORKS MBD is a fantastic add-in and you can really benefit from it. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. And thanks for watching our video.